Hello all, welcome to Edifying Insights. In today's video, we are going to see how to make Holi colors at home. Holi is the most colorful and jestful festivals celebrated by the people of Hindu faith. Originally, the Holi colors were made using bright flowers that blossom during the spring season. As Holi arrives in the season of spring, the gulal color was made of plants and flowers that blossomed during this month. Holi gained popularity with time and natural colors got replaced with chemical-based synthetic colors gradually. This Holi, you can skip the unnatural colors available in the market and play a safe Holi by making your own natural colors at home. The yellow color. It is a very bright color that indicates energy, happiness and life. The yellow color can be prepared by mixing turmeric powder with gram flour in a 1:2 ratio to make a dry gulal. Or you can also crush any yellow colored flower like marigold and combine it in water to obtain wet colors. The red color. Red color can be prepared using dried red hibiscus flowers. Take properly dried hibiscus or China rose flowers and then grate them into a fine powder. Red sandalwood can also be used in its place. You can add rice flour uniform quantity to obtain dry red color. You can boil peels of pomegranate to get wet color. The green color. Green colored gulal can be made using henna or mehndi powder. For wet color, you can use any green leafy vegetables such as spinach or neem. The leaves when dipped in water will give it a green color. The magenta color. Beetroot is a good source of red or pink pigment. You can soak sliced beetroots in water, boil the mixture and leave it overnight. If you wish to have a darker shade of pink, just dilute the mixture a little more. There are some alternative options. If you find the above process difficult, you can simply buy food coloring from the market. Food colors like yellow, blue, red, green, etc. can be easily mixed with water to obtain wet colors. Now you have all the wet and dry colors made using natural ingredients at your home to enjoy this Holi season. Happy Holi to each and every one of you.